Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can change the address on your driver's license if you live in the United Kingdom. So you need to go to the gov.uk website, and once you are here, on the search bar, just type in change address on driving license. It's going to be, for the most part, it's going to be the first one to pop up like so. And here on the first option, it says apply online. So change the address on either your full driving license or your provisional one. So click online application like that. And here you can click on apply by post or apply online. So apply online, change the address, either your full driving license or your provisional one, right? So all you need to do is click on start now. So again, you can be fined to up to £1,000 if you do not tell DVLA when your address changes, right? So make sure, again, before you start, also you make sure you have your driving license, you have your resident of Great Britain, address you've lived in at least 3 years, and not be banned from driving. So all you need to do is click on start now. There we go. And then here, before you continue, you want to change the photo, other photo. Again, you just need to follow all of these instructions, right? Continue on this device, right? And then continue, right? If you don't have anything, again, just follow the instructions and you'll be able to do so. And again, like what I said, the warning earlier, if you don't tell the authorities that you're changing your address on your driver's license, you might be fined £1,000. So just be mindful of that. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.